here in this class of mathematics of class 9, we'll discuss 2 or 3 theorems. After that, we'll do the questions of circle. So in the last class, maybe we discussed up to the angles on a semicircle 90 degree. Now next theorem is angles on the same segments are equal. A theorem, angles on the same segments are equal. Angles on the same segments are equal. Now, so what does theorem states? To draw a circle. Suppose AB is the arc and P and Q are 2 points on the same segments. So if you join P with A and B and Q with A and B, and suppose the center, you join A and B with the center also. Yes? So the question is that angles on the same segments are equal. Means we have to prove angle APB is equal to angle AQB. That is the theorem. So first, let's see OR be a circle. Let AB be an arc and P and Q are 2 points on the same segment of the circle. On the same segment of the circle. To prove that angle APB equal to angle AQB. To prove that angle APB is equal to angle AQB. This is the theorem what we are going to prove. Okay, now we know that that is theorem 10.8, which is the most important theorem in this the whole chapter. We know that the angle made by the arc, at the center is twice the angle made by the arc at the other part of the circle. Other part of the circle. Yes? So, by a theorem, we know that angle made by the arc at the center is twice the angle made by the arc at the other part of the circle. So, what is the angle made by the arc at the center? That is AOB. So, this angle is twice of angle APB, and moreover, angle AOB equal to twice angle APB. Angle AOB equal twice angle APB, equation 1, and angle AOB equal twice angle AQB, equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, angle AOB equal to twice angle APB and angle AOB equal to twice angle AQB. So both these angles are equal to angle AOB. So from 1 and 2, twice angle APB equal twice angle AQB. Both sides to cancel. So angle APB is equal to angle AQB. So this is the theorem. Yes, the angle on the same segments are equal. Okay, now we'll discuss cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic means if the four vertex of a quadrilateral lies on the circumference of the circle, that is known as cyclic quadrilateral. Or if the sum of the either pair of opposite angle of a quadrilateral is equal to 180 degree, then it is also known as cyclic quadrilateral. This one, cyclic quadrilateral. Yes. Now suppose this is quadrilateral. Now this quadrilateral ABCD is said to be cyclic if the sum of the either pair of opposite angle equal to 180 degree. Then it is cyclic. Or if a quadrilateral is drawn whose four vertex are lies on the circumference, then it is also cyclic. Means ABCD cyclic. Then here you can directly say that A plus C equal to RT and B plus D equal to RT. And if the question is proved that ABCD is cyclic, then you have to prove that A plus C equal to 180 or B plus D equal to 180. That is the definition of cyclic quadrilateral. Means where the sum of the either pair of opposite angle is equal to 180 degrees. This is known as cyclic quadrilateral. Now I prove this theorem that in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the either pair of opposite angle is equal to 180 degrees. Prove that in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of either pair of opposite angle is equal to 180 degree. This is the theorem. Prove that in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of either pair of opposite angle is equal to 180 degree. Let C, OR be a circle. Let A, B, C be four vertex lies on the circle. To prove that angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree and angle B plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Done? Now proof. We know that, again we use the theorem calculator. We know that angle made by the arc at the center is twice the angle made by the arc at the got it? So this one, and we know the angle made by the arc at the center is twice the angle made by the arc at the other part of the circle. So BOD equal to twice angle BAD, then replace BOD. this angle is BOD, which is twice of this angle, and this angle is more than 180. That's why reflex BOD is equal to twice angle BCD. So if you add 1 and 2, BOD plus reflex BOD, twice BOD twice BCD, BOD and reflex BOD, both these two angles make the complete angle. That's why 360 equal to twice angle BOD plus BCD. So A plus C, yes. So A plus C equal to 180 degree. Then similarly we can prove that angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Similarly we can prove that angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Yes, so these are the theorems which are the important theorems on circles. So after this, for next class, we will do the question of circle, and we have to follow the new instruction which is not in the syllabus and which are in the syllabus. As far as I know, the chapter particular is not in the syllabus, so that will be completely eliminated, and surface area up to 13.4 is in the syllabus. From 13.5 is not in the syllabus. In construction, only first exercise is in the syllabus, second one is not in the syllabus. Then Euclid's geometry, which is completely omitted. Then triangle inequality. Then area of parallel of first exercise is in the syllabus, second one is not in the syllabus. So we have to check the syllabus, then we'll move to the next class. Yes, so thank you, bye.